Did you know that over 90% of traders fail? Many blowing up their accounts in the first year? But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. At Market Mindset University, we start with the foundation so you can build discipline, confidence, and long-term success. At Market Mindset University, we do things differently. We don't chase shortcuts or hype. We help you build a solid foundation first. Mindset, discipline, and confidence. That's the edge most traders never develop. To get the most out of Market Mindset University, you'll need a few simple tools. Download your free Quick Start Guide. It's packed with candlestick patterns, practice simulators, and key definitions. Also, keep a trading journal so you can track your growth and learn from every lesson and trade. If possible, watch these lessons on a larger screen for the full classroom effect. And most importantly, follow the lessons in order. There's a method to the madness, and each step builds on the last. We're building a complete 30-day training journey. 30 lessons designed to take you from zero to profitable trader. Some lessons expand into multiple parts, so the library is growing step by step. While it takes time to build it all, you don't have to wait. Start now with the lessons available. Each one will move you closer to trading with confidence. Subscribe today so you don't miss a step. Each lesson builds your foundation, and subscribers get insider tips you won't hear in the main class. Stay connected, stay disciplined, and develop your edge.